Thinking about a will can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. LegalZoom is here to make estate planning simple, secure, and stress-free. We've developed a suite of tools designed to cover a range of customers' needs, no matter the dependents, assets, and circumstances. In this demo, we'll cover our last will and testament offerings. Choose the option that's right for you. You can plan solo or have one of our network attorneys help you. Fill out some basic information, confirm your order, and you can get started on your estate plan. Answer a few clear questions, and we'll create all the paperwork for you. Built-in checks catch errors automatically, so you can move forward with confidence. Need to take a break? Your place is saved. You can jump back in anytime with our visual progress tracker. Once you've completed the questionnaire, voila, your will is ready for you. If something changes, you can update your estate plan anytime. Edit by section directly from your dashboard. When you're ready, you can schedule a consultation with one of our network attorneys. You can also print your will or have it shipped to you. From start to finish, we've made estate planning simpler and stress-free, offering confidence, clarity, and peace of mind to millions of customers.